Hi, my name is Nico and I'm a Technical Success Manager here at CircleCI. And today I wanted to share with everyone how to access our support page and submit a support ticket. So the very first thing we're going to want to go ahead and do is access support.circleci.com. And this is going to be the landing page you land on. Mine is a little bit different just because I am a support admin. So feel free to disregard this first little bar here. But other than that, everything should pretty much be the same. The first thing to point out is going to be the support knowledge base. If you have any general questions, feel free to put them in there, and a support article should be pushed back out to you. We also have an Ask AI widget here. If you go ahead and ask it any questions, it should push back an answer as well as any source material it gathered. So really cool feature to utilize there. Now to get a support ticket started, we want to make sure that you are signed in. And the reason for that is we want to make sure that the proper SLA is attached to your ticket and that it gets routed to the proper teams. So as you can see, it has my name here in this top right corner. That means I am signed in. If you are not signed in, it will say sign in, and please do so at this time. Now to submit a support ticket, you're just going to hit submit a request. Now that we've landed on this page, you're going to see the option to choose an issue below. For build failure and configuration help, that's going to get routed to our support engineers. Billing and invoicing is going to get routed to our customer success team, so any kind of account management will be routed to them. Request advisory services from an annual service plans will get routed to our field engineers who can complete any kind of value-added services. And this is going to be very specific to our contracted customers who purchased a support plan. And for the purpose of this video, we will be using billing and invoicing because that does get routed to my team. Now there's going to be a few fields for you to fill out now that you're here. And so you'll want to add any additional emails here. Topic inquiry, what best describes your issue, and then the subject line. And you'll notice here as I start typing in anything, it'll actually provide suggested articles that can help you with your issue. Definitely recommend giving those a read if you can and if you have the time to. And then right here in the description is where you want to include your full message over to us. This is gonna what we read and how we start troubleshooting your issue. There's just gonna be a few other questions to answer here. You do want to include your organization name as well as the VCS it's attached to, such as Bitbucket or GitHub. And then right here, you'll be able to attach any files or photos that you want to drop and share with us, just so we can help troubleshoot your issues a little bit better. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out or submit a support ticket. Thank you so much and have a good day.